This photograph shows the surface of Mars. It is a frozen, irradiated desert, where life, as we know it, cannot exist. Billions of years ago, Mars featured a thick atmosphere, a warm climate, and rivers of liquid water flowing across its surface. That water is gone because of the solar wind, a relentless, high-speed stream of charged particles expelled by the sun. Over millennia, that relentless radiation collided with the ancient Martian atmosphere and slowly stripped it away into deep space. Look at this satellite image of Earth. Our planet sits in the path of that same solar wind, bombarded by the exact same radiation every single day. Yet we have kept our oceans, our atmosphere, and our life. The system maintaining our habitable surface is located 6,000 kilometers straight down. Physical exploration is limited. The deepest hole humans have ever dug reaches down 12 kilometers, a distance that barely penetrates the outermost layer of the planet.
To study the deep interior, we rely on seismographs. This photo shows an early instrument scientists used to track ground vibrations caused by earthquakes. This diagram illustrates how those earthquake waves travel. When the ground shakes, energy ripples through the entire planet. By measuring how those waves bend, speed up, or slow down, geologists can map out distinct internal layers without ever seeing them. These seismic echoes reveal that the planet functions as a complex, active thermodynamic engine. Take a look at this photo of the Mount Everest base camp. Mountains feel impossibly large to us, but Everest, the ocean floors, and every piece of land we've ever touched all exist on the lithosphere, a brittle, thin outer shell of cracked crust. In this proportional cross-section, the crust is microscopic. Below is the mantle, making up 84% of Earth's volume. Heat makes this solid rock flow in convection cycles. These churning currents physically drag the tectonic plates, pulling continents apart and smashing them together. Everything we perceive as solid ground is in a state of constant drift, riding on the momentum of the flowing rock beneath it. At a depth of roughly 2,900 kilometers, the solid rock abruptly ends. We cross the core mantle boundary and enter an entirely different environment. This is the outer core. It is a vast, turbulent ocean of molten iron and nickel, completely liquefied by the intense heat. At the exact center of the planet, the inner core reaches temperatures over 5,000 degrees Celsius, rivaling the surface of the sun. At those temperatures, iron should be a liquid, but this image represents the physical reality of the inner core. It remains a solid, crystalline sphere. The sheer weight of the entire planet pushing inward creates a pressure 3.6 million times greater than what we feel on the surface, completely locking the metal atoms tightly in place. The heat radiating from this solid sphere boils the liquid metal ocean above it. As the Earth rotates, that boiling ocean of iron and nickel churns in massive columns, generating enormous electrical currents. The center of our planet functions as a self-sustaining electrical generator, powered by extreme pressure and residual heat from the birth of the solar system. This animation shows the result of those electrical currents. They create electromagnetic rings originating in the core, traveling through the mantle, and extending thousands of kilometers into space. Together, these rings form the magnetosphere, an invisible, resilient shield surrounding Earth. When the high-speed stream of charged solar radiation reaches us, it hits the magnetosphere. The magnetic field deflects the particles, guiding them safely around the planet and preserving the atmosphere. This explains the divergence with Mars. Because Mars is smaller than Earth, it lost its internal heat faster. As the planet cooled, its liquid metallic core solidified, and the internal churning stopped. The electrical generator shut down, causing the protective magnetic shield to collapse. The crushing pressure and the extreme heat located at the center of the Earth keep our generator running continuously. That inaccessible core is the active, beating heart, standing directly between humanity and total planetary extinction.